Alright guys, let me welcome you warmly. As you can see, I have a box in front of me, and this is another helmet which I'm gonna test ride. So the thing I love the most is opening the helmets, testing it out, and today is a Acerbis adventure type of helmet. Okay, so how does it look? Here you are. Okay, let's focus a bit more. As you can see here, it's black, matte black, and looks pretty cool. It's got a very big visor. It says Dualroad helmet. Alright, in size L. So, without here keeping you guys waiting, let's open it up. Let's check the box out and obviously take it for a spin. Okay, so they usually come very neatly packed. This is also made in China. Okay, there you go. So very cool bag as well. Some additional manual accessories there. And let's take a look. It's got this nice Acerbis helmet bag. Let's take it out, guys. Of the packaging. I'm in my man cave, if you probably recognize it. This has become one of my favorite spots for helmets. Check it out, guys. Alright, so placing the helmets just like in the Game of Thrones. You probably remember the men with 1,000 faces, so this is like a wall build-up in my man cave with helmets. Okay, let's get it out. There we are. Okay, perfect, guys. You can see the vents on the top here. What about the sunshade? Well, pretty unusual place for the sun visor to open. If you guys check this out, usually it's somewhere down below. Here it's right on the sunroof. Let's remove the foam and take it out on the road, guys. Perfect. Alright, brand new helmet from Acerbis. Looks really good. So guys, I'm in this beautiful place by the creek, and you can see it here in the background. Alright guys, let me welcome you warmly. I have traveled to a nice place, but at the same time I'm actually testing this helmet out. This is the new Acerbis adventure helmet. Okay guys, so as you can see, it's brand new. It's ECE 2205, about 1.6 kilograms, so not too bad. This is a full helmet, full face helmet. In fact, it's got a sun visor inside as well, the two different vents, and a nice lining. Okay guys, what about the locking mechanism? The classic latch. Alright, no double D's there. I've ridden it in the wind. It tends to budge a bit, but otherwise it works pretty well. When it comes to the design, the looks, it's fine. Okay, it's maybe not one of the lightest helmets, but it's okay. So far, so good, and I've been able to ride it quite well. This is the initial impressions I have. For some longer rides, time will tell. But overall, it's a very nice budget helmet for adventure riding, and I'm pretty content with that.